What's up, YouTube? This your boy Scardo707, man. Back with another video. So look here. Today your boy finna be pulling the A7 out, man, and taking it so I can spin them tires. But before I could do that, I need to finish hanging, installing my tailpipe hanger, because I had my old tailpipe I switched out for another one. This is my old one right here. Motherfucker. Yeah, that motherfucker showed as fuck. Yeah, that's the old one right here. So I end up, and this only like a 2-inch pipe. This the old one right here. So I ended up grabbing a 2.5-inch piece with a bend in it and putting my own little cut to it. So what I'm finna do right now is, I don't know if you can see that. I'm just gonna take this clamp right here so I can finish hanging it. See that? I don't want my shit to come loose. It's the same thrust weld that I've been had for a while. Over there. Spider web and shit. I ain't moved this car in months. And the main reason I took that other piece off, let me show you how it was pointing. That motherfucker was pointing like that, straight at my tire. But you know what was up there? That motherfucker was pointing straight like that. There was no way I could turn it to get it to blow away from the tire. So I should add the gun. This motherfucker's packed. Make sure ain't nobody out here, man. You know we riding dirt. Alright, man, so I'm out here on this little road out here. I'm finna set this camera up on my tripod. I'm finna get a couple of flybys, you know what I mean? See what this pipe sound like. I ain't expecting it to sound like nothing too much different. It already sounded a little better than the piece I had on there, because it is a little bigger. I had to try to hurry up though, man, because you know your boy out here dirty. And I'm not trying to get jacked up. got some things coming up, a couple of little repairs I'm gonna be doing. I got a carb rebuild kit I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna be doing the changing my oil, the fuck is wrong with me? Replacing my oil pan gasket. You feel me? And if anybody know about the old 307s, man, if it's in the old still, I got to jack the engine and all kind of shit, so you know that ain't gonna be too much fun. You feel me? But that's it for